In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove demo content from your WordPress theme for the year 2025. Whether you're new to WordPress or just looking to clean up your demo site, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and concisely. Let's dive right in and get your WordPress site looking just the way you want it. First, we need to head over to wordpress.com. This is where you'll be managing your site and deleting that pesky demo content. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in. Go ahead and click on that. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to authenticate your identity. Next, select Continue with Google. This option is great for those of us who prefer a quick and secure login. Once you've clicked that, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Simply pick the account you want to use to access your WordPress dashboard. Now that we're logged in, let's get down to business. In your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the Posts section. This is where all your current and demo posts are stored. Take a moment to scan through and locate any posts that are demo content. Once you've identified them, go ahead and delete these demo posts. It's as easy as a few clicks, but remember to double check that you're only removing the ones you don't need. Next, we're moving on to the Pages section. Just like with your posts, your demo pages will be stored here. Search through your existing pages, find the ones that are labeled as demo or that you can identify as temporary content and delete them. Removing these pages will streamline your website and ensure that your published content takes center stage. Now let's tackle the media library. With your media library open, look for any demo images or files. You might find stock photos or placeholder images that came with your theme. Be sure to delete these as they can take up unnecessary space and, more importantly, clutter your site with irrelevant content. It's surprising how much cleaner your site will look with just a few media deletions. After you've cleaned up the media library, it's time to address the comments section. Access the comments section from your dashboard menu or sidebar. Search for any comments that may have been included as demos. These are often nestled in there and can be overlooked, so take your time to ensure all demo comments are removed. Congratulations, you've successfully purged all the demo content from your WordPress theme for 2025. By following these steps, you can ensure that your site is uniquely yours, ready to show off your own content without any distractions or filler. Keep in mind that regular site maintenance can prevent demo content from sneaking back in and helps keep your site optimized and professional looking. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.